Hello. What's happening, everybody? Today, I want to talk to you about relationships. When it comes to relationships, not every relationship can be restored. In other words, it takes two to tango. It also takes two to make a thing go right after a wrong has been revealed. So you see, when it comes to relationships, not every relationship is healthy enough to continue. There are at times where others have the heart to just humble themselves, to humble yourself, and learn how to love others. And they would use that to their advantage. And yes, they will not only take advantage of you, they will also use you too, throw you under the bus. So each and every one of you are going to have to be very, very, very careful. I urge you all to be very, very, very careful because whatever you say, whatever you do could hurt you. However, restoration is always the objective for a Jesus follower. This may not involve you. You could be the follower of him when you're not. But may I say that if you're the follower of Jesus, then make that your priority to restore every friendship or relationship in order to restore what was broken. Now, in First John 3:16, it says that this is how we know what love is. The implant the implication is that the love is not defined for this. For us, then we won't know anything about it. We might be walking with a bad integration of love like every other human being is. Others might desire the love as either a feeling or an emotion that we have towards somebody. And Jesus related to us, he gave an interpretation of love. And in the same scripture, it says, Jesus Christ laid down his life for us. If you look at it this way, that's what love means. And I'm not kidding. And if you really think and if you think about you really loving somebody, then you ought to rack your brain asking yourself this question: have I been Jesus to them, or have I been sacrificed that? No matter what happened in your life, no matter what happens in your life, have you felt that Jesus is you to him? Huh? That last part of the same scripture, and we ought to say, and we ought to lay down the lives for us, brothers and sisters, because because that is what we do. And if you are a follower of Jesus today, then you should be an expert in restoring relationships. And the reason you say that is because all of us, we have had our relationships with Jesus restored. And as Christians, we need to be reminded as to how personal the faith is. Bottom line, Well, I hope you enjoyed today's commentary, and I hope you have a good time learning. All right. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.